We're going to go to Regensburg via some curvy roads, and then we'll see what we're going to do. Should be fun, so it'll all be good. And because the sun's out today, there's a lot of bikes out, so that's good as well. So temperature today at the moment is 24.5 Celsius, so that's pretty good. Got a boxer engine in front, which is the R90T. Nice little bike, very willing, and beautiful boxer engine. So it's a nice little hooligan bike, but it's a nice little cafe racer type bike as well. Now today it's just about absolutely nothing. Sam's got a big bath coming up tomorrow. Was in the wrong lane then. My bad. Does the AD know what he wants to do? He indicated he was turning left. Is he turning left or is he not? No, he's going right. Of course he is. We should have known that. Okay. So, nice G310 there. Good starter bike. Get used to the BMW range. Getting a little bit bored, stuck behind this little TT. It's making all the right noises, but it's got no guts. And is it going to take my little yep, nope, I'm going to be going further down. Apparently it's found me some nice curvy roads, so let's have a look. What it is doing is giving me a lot of room to play. Beautiful blue skies. Right now it would be great to be down near the beach in Spain, near Tarifa. That's where everything's going to be based, guys. Tarifa in España. So southern Spain. So we're in between Malaga and Cadiz, not too far away from Gibraltar. So we can Go down and have a little bit of fun in Gibraltar as well if we need to. Sam is singing a sweet song. Now I've just ordered some of the little Lone Rider small bags, so they're going to be able to fit onto my crash bar and give me an extra 12 litres of storage space. So when they come in, I'll show you where they're going to fit, show you how they're going to fit, and yeah, so it's all about making the K1600 that little bit more tourable. I mean, she's got massive 115 litres of fuel, luggage space. She's also got, oh, come on, dude. She's also got the Wunderlich racks as well, so that gives me the ability to carry about another 100 litres if I need to. So that's 215, and then another 12 gives me 227 litres of storage space. So I think that's pretty good. And I've also ordered the tank bag, so we'll see what happens when that arrives. It's on back order, so it'll be fun. So it means that when we start doing some more touring, we got plenty of space and plenty of room. Nice exaggerated bend here, long and sweeping. I mean, that was nice. Is this a round? No, it's not a roundabout. Man, I thought I was getting worried then because I couldn't work out what the hell the road was doing. We were just curling. Hey, it's a curvy road. Okay, this is all good. I like curvy roads, but I'd actually like them if there was no houses on them, and I wasn't restricted. I wasn't restricted to speed or the lack of. although the cars don't seem to be following the speed limit. Now, it would be rude not to keep up, wouldn't it, guys? And the one thing about me, I was raised a gentleman, trained as an officer, and always taught manners. Now, I've been complaining about this helmet, the lack of ventilation, but I tried it on the R90, because I borrowed an R90 for a couple of hours, and on there, helmet was absolutely fine. So this awesome piece of screen in front of me, made by C. Bailey's, actually blocks a lot more of the wind flow than you'd think. So C. Bailey's, if you are listening and anything, I mean, it would be nice if you could make these again, because I'm sure there's a lot of K1600 owners that would really like them, because they are an amazing screen. If not, there are alternatives. Now, Steve's fitted a screen with a vent to his. I'm not certain how tall it is. I mean, I'm 6'2", so this is sitting nose level in its lowest setting. Actually, it's only sitting to jaw level. So my head is above, but the wind deflection is actually putting the wind flow right over the top of my head. So I'm not getting buffeted. Didn't see that creep up on me. Is this a roundabout, or is it leading up to one? Now, there seems to be a duel going on between the two cars in front, so I'm going to leave them to it, because last time that happened, one of them almost took me out. Hey, fellow biker. Heading something to a place called Bad Gugging, or Bad Gugging. What that actually is, God knows, guys. I'm not going to push to the front of the queue. It's going to be more fun overtaking them when we get a stretch of road. Oh, they are in. Two little boys with big little toys. Yeah, they've made little crotch rockets. Oh. It's not bad. Oh, it's actually barred gogging. Which, I know it's spelled that way, but it is pronounced probably totally different because there's two little accents over the O's. Which I can't remember what that actually means. That's the problem. I'm trying to learn Spanish and I'm forgetting all the rubbish I've learned everywhere else.